What is going on, guys? It's Adam Racing back here with another YouTube video, and today we are finally taking a break from premiums for a bit, and we are going to be unboxing a few of the main lines I have. So today I have a set of Jaguars from the 2019 set. As you can see, the factory sealed stickers on both of them, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys all of this in a bit, and I hope you guys enjoy this video once again. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me for more awesome content. Anyways, so first we are going to open this up and have a look. And yeah, I'm really pumped to have this. Actually, I don't really have Jaguars in my collection, which is surprising enough, but I'm super stoked to have both of these in my collection. So first we're gonna start with the XJ220. Now this car actually, if just for a little background information, it was actually produced from 1992 to 1994, so a 2-year production. It has a 6.2 liter V12 Jaguar engine, which pumps about 500 horsepower. And yeah, so this is actually worth a lot of money. Its average price of about $350, and I think these cars, considering the time, these are amazing vehicles. And I think that Hot Wheels made a mainline edition. I think really killed it with this. It's insane. The side exhaust on the passenger side as well, and all the little decals, and yeah, especially the Jaguar logo on the roof of the car. I think that's a really nice touch. I actually noticed that when I purchased the car. I only noticed it just now when I was unboxing and making this video. And also, if you realize, you can actually see the engine bay at the back, which actually makes this so much more interesting. The little attention to detail is phenomenal, and I simply love this vehicle for that. I mean, I'm a sucker for small details. And now we're gonna move on to the Jaguar XE SV Project 8, and this car is, it doesn't look very rare, but this actually is a very rare car. There are only 300 manufactured for the entire world, and they actually use a 5-liter supercharged V8 engine with an 8-speed automatic, and it's about half the price of the XJ220 that you just saw. But still, a really very nice car, very limited car as well. And if you guys realize, it's very girthy as well. Considering it's a modern day vehicle, I think Jaguar nailed it with this. And look at the paint job by Hot Wheels. I think that's something that you have to talk about. The amazing paint job, really very glossy, very subtle, and the wheels spin perfectly as well. And I just want to point out one thing: I've never seen this in any of our main lines before. But if you see, look at the base here. I mean, that's a glossy base. I don't know if that's a issue or that's a mistake or what, because I've never really seen this before. This is the first time in a mainline I've seen a glossy base, and I think it looks amazing. It looks phenomenal. It goes well with the body color of the vehicle. And yeah, so that's a really quick run through. There are a few rolling shots. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Once again, thank you guys for your support, and yeah, enjoy.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
Just like that, guys, this video is over. I hope you had an amazing time. I sure had an amazing time unboxing these cars, and they're gonna go well in my collection. Now guys, once again, if you guys react the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me for more awesome content here on YouTube as well as TikTok. The link will be in the description below. But just like that guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.